Guys, welcome to Board Bashing, and today I will be destroying this alarm clock that only runs in seconds and minutes. So I don't think it's an alarm clock, but I think it's a little alarm. So let's go. So this is not wasted break the alarm clock. Let's just get to the first skit. 3, 2, 1. You woke me up from a really good dream. This is all your fault. No. Yeah, be quiet. 3. Oh, I can't. Oh, I said be quiet. Wow, this is the weakest technology I've ever seen. Why does stuff have to be so weak? Oh my god. It's on the hour. I guess I just have to destroy it more. It's blinking hour. But it won't show how many hours. So, I guess I just have to put the batteries back in. Did I kill it? I think I actually killed it. Maybe I needed a new set of batteries. Huh? Oh well. Let's get to the bashing, but with this. I think that's a capacitor. Oh, look! The heart of this motherboard. Blacksmith with an anvil. This reminds me of those memes that are like POV. You ask your brother for a controller. The controller. Get off of my anvil, aka use that, aka the anvil. Anvil. My neighbors love me, kids. The chip. Yeah. One more smash.
What you can do is,
So let's put this on. Wait, you're going to. Yeah, now let's put this on fire. Water just for safety. Yeah.
Okay, so what you want to do is.
Hey, we did kind of get some of the plastic. Oh yeah.
That's the color.
Yeah. Ooh, don't burn the Nokia. Oh, it's going on the plastic. Stop. Ooh. Oh yeah. That's nice. Yeah. Yeah. I already made a vlog talking about the vacation. Yeah. Yeah, I already made a vlog talking about the vacation I'm going to take. Yeah.
Everyone's gonna be so glad to see you.
Yeah. I'm also going to throw this rock I hit with the hammer on it. Yeah. That's left of the rest of this video. If you see a scar on my face, my dog scratched me. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, like, subscribe. My hands look like it touched charcoal. So yeah. Bye.